the 80s, mid-80s to early 90s. And if you go back, Couples for Christ was just beginning. I think at that time there was no Youth for Christ yet, no Singles for Christ, only the Couples for Christ. I know because at the time I was already a seminarian, and every time I come home, occasionally I see them meeting in our house as a household. And I realized the members of the household at that time were coming from different cities. Ang layo ng biyahe nila just to come to our house. And at that time when my father in his later years, struggled with some personal, situation in life, I knew it was the household who supported him. And that's why I treasure very much the Couples for Christ.